Hi, in this video we're going to be doing a brief demo of MecSimCalc. MecSimCalc is a website that allows you to create and share Python apps without any experience in web development. It is all in browser, so no installation is required, and it can be accessed from both desktop and a mobile device. So you can begin here by either signing up or signing in the top right hand corner. As you can see here, I'm already signed in. From there we're going to go to Explore Apps. So once on the Explore page, you can see a collection of apps that were already created by others. This first line here is featured apps. Featured apps are selected by us, and right now the featured apps are apps created for the Alberta Masonry Council. Next we have most viewed apps, and then recently created apps. You can filter apps by category, tags, access, or author. And let's try looking at the description of one of our apps, and let's look at the app itself. Okay, so looking at this app, we would then select inputs that the author has set. We would submit. And the app would return an output. Now let's try making our own app. So we can go up here to this top left-hand corner, click Create an App. We click a template. For now, we're just going to use a blank app. And let's call this app Product Demo. Description: this app returns a message. Category: let's call it arts. And tags: let's give it a biomedical engineering tag. Inputs: so here we have drag and drop inputs. We don't need number inputs. In this case, we're just going to be returning a message, so we will be using the text input drag and drop. So drag that here, put it here, and rename this as message. Let's get to our code. So the code is in Python. It is very simple to use. First of all, we can take our input variables and paste them in our code by just copying. So we would call this message. Our message is equal to the inputs, input 0. Afterwards, we would then return our outputs. And in this case, our outputs are going to be message, and that is going to be the message variable. Now we're going to go to our output, and let's write the output. My message is, and once again we can copy and paste our variables, is this. And let's also make the message bold and super large. Documentation: this just tells others what your app will do. This app returns a message. And then preview. Let's test out our app. Our message will be hello. We'll submit. And my message is hello. And just like that, we've created an app in under a few minutes. So once we've created our app, we can then publish it. Once published, we can then share it by either sending a link, embedding it, emailing, or using Twitter or Facebook. If you have any questions, you can always refer to the documentation. And in the documentation, it'll tell you more details on how the input works, the code, the outputs, files, and some libraries. We also have a blog where we highlight apps. And then we also have a community section where you can ask questions and comment on other people's apps. We hope to see what the world can build using MecSimCalc.